Hello guys, in this episode of Design Highlight, we'll take a look at John Wallin Liberto, concept artist from Seattle, United States. Number of fantastic artworks here. Let's get started. First of all, nice little sci-fi concept art from something called The Creator. Interesting squid mech, reminiscent of The Matrix. Interesting little ship design here. Big mech hangar. Always like to look at these for images for mechanical arms, and I like to see how the knees are put together here. I always like to see how artists handle the different joints and the anatomy, the mech anatomy. Another nice mech picture here. Very nice camera angle, very nice shapes using the head and the arms. Very nice use of color and shape all together. Another big mech here shooting up the street. Just very nice composition, guys. Really like the way that the color draws your attention. The use of kind of highlights. Blue rim lighting around here really draws attention to the shape here. You got trees and buildings for scale. So nice combination of many things being used together here. And right after the mech design, we got some cute little alien creatures here. So I very much like artists, guys, that have a wide variety of things, from cute aliens to big mechs, vehicles, planets, everything. This is a nice little mining truck from Halo 5. So we even got some Halo artwork in here. So now we got some Ratchet and Clank type character here. A little furry creature with shooting some sort of yellow bad ooze at you. Ninja Turtles. Nice little blast from the past. Haven't seen those guys in a while. Got this nice little pistol shrimp guy. So the pistol shrimp is this really cool creature that pretty much one of its hands almost like is like a little pistol. It shoots a blast of water or air and is very powerful, very effective. So this is like an alien type version of that. Giant mech with a chainsaw cutting apart another mech. Nice little vehicle with two arms. Alright guys, link in the description. Thank you for watching and take care.